Hi there, Sanna here today. I was very lucky to be able to be one of the guest design team members at the Wild Hare Kits design team, and my turn is in January, which means this is my January kit, and let's start by unboxing the kit. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see, so this is a real surprise. I've been waiting for this moment for a while. I'm really excited. The interesting thing about Wild Hare Kits is that they are curated kits, which means that you can choose, you can write them what you like, what you don't like, what type of product would you wish to be in the kit, and then they send you the product according to your list that you sent them. So this should be something that I wrote. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let's start opening this, and I'll add all the details then to my blog post, so you can find more information about the Wild Hare Kits on my blog later. So let's try to open this without getting hurt. And I'm really excited to see what's inside, but I'm just hoping I get it open without hurting myself first. Let's just open it like this. It's not going to look nice, but I don't mind. Okay, here we go. Really excited. Oh my god. Oh, that looks pretty. That already looks pretty. I love that color. Okay. Oh, and a stencil. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love stencils. Okay, it's a good start. I'm really excited. Let's open this one. Let's open it. I really like the logo because I have a few bunnies myself, so it's a really cute logo for a company. Okay, so let's start. So I wrote them. Let's see if there's still the mail that I wrote them. No. I think the last time I've ordered once before, and the last time I got this kit, there was this sheet that you need to fill in the internet. It was included, so I could just look up and cheat a little bit and see what I wrote them. But this time it's just a note that they hope that I love my guest designer kit. And they included some travel themed papers and flair, and some non-themed papers that will work with a variety of projects, which I really like. We made sure to include stamps and stencils for some multimedia playing, as well as rub-ons. Oh good, that's great. That's really good. I really like rub-ons and flair. I love flair. I love wood veneer. I love stencils, stamps. Oh my god, these are pretty. Oh, this is a perfect kit for me. I really like this one. Thank you so much, Alison. So the first one is the stencil. Let's start with the stencil. It's by EcoPart Paper. I really like their product. And what it's called, I don't know. There's no name on this stencil. Oh, seashells. Great, perfect for traveling. That's really cool. And then let's open the flair. Let's see. And they come in such cute packs too. So really nice. Oh, that's traveling. Great, because we went to Brazil last summer. So I'm hoping to scrap some of those photos with this kit. So it will be perfect. Favorite trip, adventure. It sure was an adventure. So this is going to be great for those photos. Love these. Can you see that, or is it too dark? Sadly, it's winter here, so I hope you can get enough lighting into this video. Okay, so let's move forward. Love. That's wooden shapes. It's from Freckled Fawn. I love Freckled Fawn. Great choice. Really good choice. Love this one. Really like that one. it's totally rad that you ordered from us. We sincerely appreciate your order and hope you enjoy your Happy Mail. I really, really do. Thank you so much. And there's a handwritten note in there. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much. And then there are stamps. Pink Fresh Studio. I love their product. It's really cool. How did they know? They really take time to personalize your kits. Sorry. I really like this one. This is so cool. And it's perfect for my traveling photos. This will be so good for the Amazon photos. And then there's, what's this? This is ribbon. Okay, great. Always can use some ribbon. I think it's black. So let's open this one. Yes, it's black ribbon. Perfect. I'm definitely going to use that one too. And then some rub-ons, which I personally always have loved using. So I'm really looking forward to these. I love these patterns here. Simple, small details that you can add to a page or a card or whatever you do. Really, really cool ones. So this is from American Crafts. Pink Paisley, sorry, it's Pink Paisley. And which obviously belongs to American Crafts. Is owned by, I think. So it's 2 sheets. Good vibes, fun, grateful, good day. My very favorite. Oh, these are good. You're the best. Embrace the good things, little moments. These are going to be so cool on the pages. And if I have leftovers, I'm going to for sure use them for something else. So there will be no trouble in using those. And then I've got some traveling papers, which are really cute. I'm assuming these are, let's see if it says something on the Pack Your Bags is the collection 6x6 papers. Okay, so this set is called Pack Your Bags. I love this one. Oh, and I really like this type of patterns. Really cool colors too. Perfect, really perfect. Love this one. Oh, and this is so cool. World map. And these are, oh, a llama. That's pretty. And this one is really nice. I really like to use yellow. I don't know why. And airplanes and a luscious red. Really, really good. These are great. Really great papers. Oh, this was from the rub-ons. And then lots of paper. Lots and lots of paper. I think I said they should surprise me regarding the cardstock, and I didn't get any, which is good because I have plenty of cardstock at home, so I don't mind at all. First paper, totally in love. It's called I Am Mom. It's from EcoPart paper. I really like their papers. You rock, mama. These are so cool. Coffee because adulting is hard. Oh, so true. Mama needs a timeout. Mom here don't care. Love this paper. This is so pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh, and this one, this is the cut file for January, which I will for sure use. It says Fresh Start. I don't know if you can see it here. It says Fresh Start. Perfect for January layouts and projects. And another EcoPart paper, I'm Mom. Really pretty, really, really pretty papers. And I love this, like brush. It looks like brush lettering. And then there's the Flourish by Mackie Holmes. I wrote them that I like Mackie Holmes. Flowers. I did the test somewhere at the American Crafts page. I think it was crepe paper. I don't know. I think it was. And you could test what type of crafter you are. And I got the Flourish Girl. So this would be perfect for me. At least according to the test. I really like this one too. And that's pretty. Oh, that's from Vicky. Great. I've been looking for her papers. Nice to have some of hers in the set too. That's really nice. Shimel, always love Shimel. She has really nice papers too. Box of crayons, it's called. And then there's a simple one which I also really like, and I like this type of greenish turquoise, really nice. Oh, and this is this is cool. This is so cool. Really cool papers. I love this type of stuff. And this one. Okay, perfect for me. Really great. This is cool. I'm almost speechless because they really got what I was looking for. So amazing, really amazing. I love leaf patterns. Really like this one too. So it will be hard to choose what to use. Okay, so this is my kit. This is the unboxing of my January guest design team kit. Let me put this here once more, like this, so that you can see what they look like next to each other. I think this was this way. So everything works really great together. Then I've got the cut file there, and then I've got this paper. Look at this, this is really great. And then I got some 6x6 papers, which also work really well with the big papers. Look at this, isn't this pretty? Really nice. Thank you so much, Alison. You really did a great job with your team. And then I've got some rub-ons, put them there, and some ribbon. And then I've got the really great stamps and some wood, some flair. So I can also take a picture maybe of these and put it on my blog while I'm opening this one. And then there's a stencil. Where should we put this one? Let's put it here. So that's the stencil. That's it. That is my curated kit for January by Wild Hare Kits. I really like this one. So now it's time to start creating. So I'm going to be posting projects and photos and tutorials and step-by-steps and whatever. There's plenty of products, so there will be lots and lots of things coming up in January. So see you soon with a lot of happy crafting products. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much, Wild Hare Kits. I love this kit. Thank you very much. Bye!